Kani kadai ke Batisi TV. Bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasngi belawan rasyapi da ka rupa. Bapentingan bat penbha.
Ki Pulit ketenat Anti-Narcotic Task Force jongka East Coast Hills District harengkat ke jingit reilang bat ki Pulit Special Party jongka Madanryting Police Station haga laitrik unopra arajar khatpra kila yok ban Kurup haduk nyu pulai point kendai pesan gram Drok nakasnong Madanryting Shillong. Bat yok kemru haduk Ngut ki Snar Khaïi Drok ki bajudon keti ban penya yo niu jingdi bean syaki benta boper jongka nong ba Shillong bat syaki wei pat ki district jongka Jala Meghalaya. Superintendent of Police City, Ba Steve A. Rinja hagajing keren bat kilat patai kubor, hagani kesngi ulai tu baki Ngut ki bala Shahkem halor kani kejingja ki kintup, ya ka Rebecca Hamar, bat ya ukurim jongka Vanlal Mauya Hamar, bat ya ukurup ru hadu kat point prafu kendai gram Drok lembat kapisa kabal live usau hajar news pa anru pau tengka. Dagajing pla jong kini ki sijur ki Pulit gila yok keempat saya ga lalpeng warli bat Kurup yo Drok hadu nriuwei point gram bat kapisa silak sauwei hajar arspa nriupau tengka. Yakini ki Ngut ki Pulit hadian bakila pengat hapo ka NDPS Act kila tian bisyaru hakashari haka sauterek mentau benai arajar khatpra.
Based on our info, we raided the place which belonged to one Rebecca Mar, 35 years old, and her husband, Vanlal Mauya Mar, 28 years old. So based on this, on search of the place, we managed to detect around initially 23.42 grams of high-grade heroin, and subsequently another 12.89 grams from the body of the persons themselves. And also during the search we managed to seize a cash amount of rupees 34,760. So this was just the initial operation, and then following up this operation we were actually targeting the main person, who was one of the main persons. I won't say it's a main person because there are many other big fishes who are operating, swimming in that area, as we may say. So our target was very much at her residence that day, yesterday night, and so we carried on with our operation where we raided another place in Block D of Madanryting area, in the house of one Shrimati Lalpeng Rowley. Her age is around 53 years. Her age, and from there we managed to recover 61.6 grams of high grade heroin. She was trying to hide these, but then since we had specific information, after a brief search in fact of the whole house and the surrounding areas, we managed to recover this. Because she had not kept it in one place, she had kept it in many other places, so hiding in places where you wouldn't even think of searching. Because they have camouflaged the place in such a way that they had it even under the house also. You know, it was covered and everything, but under the house they were keeping these things, heroin. So total, like I said, it was from her place, it was 61.6 grams of high-grade heroin after it was tested on the spot itself, as per procedure. And cash was also recovered from her residence, from her, amounting to 1,41,260 rupees. That was I believe, from the sale, from the proceeds of heroin. Actually, we could have got more, but I think so because it's towards the end, starting of the month, there was less stock with them. But nevertheless, this is quite a thing. So, for your kind of information, in Shillong, in the city, one case of, they keep it in soap cases. I will be sharing some pictures later on with you. A box costs 35,000 in the market in Shillong. So 8 number of cases yesterday, total 8 cases. So it is worth around 2.5 lakhs. Now that was in Shillong. In the international market, the total seizure, by the way, in both locations is 98 grams. Now that, if you check it out in the international market, it is worth 9.8 lakhs, 9,80,000. Accordingly, the 3 people were arrested, and they have been forwarded to court today, and the case was registered, Madanryting PS case number 155/12/2018, and they have been booked under relevant sections of the NDPS Act, that is under sections 21B and 29 of the NDPS Act.